Hello, we are in a beautiful location called Maen Madoc, and from a reprint of this wonderful publication by John Obadiah Westwood, we see an entry about Maen Madoc from a visit in 1846. Maen Madoc is north of Ystradfellte, and this is very close to the Roman road, the Sarn Helen, which isn't too far behind us. And it really stands out alongside a modern road. I don't usually do these descriptions for YouTube with a book in front of me, but there's some fascinating things in here. Stone in itself 11 foot high, it's 1.5 feet in thickness and 2.5 feet wide. Now the one way I was able to bring out the lettering was by using this stuff that I rubbed on the letters, and they actually come out really well. I wouldn't advise it, but the one reason why I've got the book in front of me is because I want to describe the lettering on you quickly. So we've got a D, you can clearly see a D here, and you've got an E, and you've got an R, which is a bit of a kick there. The lettering gets a bit weird then, a V, and you've got an A upturned like this, very interesting. And you've got a C and you've got an I. This is a name of somebody, Dervaci. Probably got that wrong. And then very faint for the camera, you've got the word as it comes in FILIUS or FILIUS. And this itself is the first line. Filus basically means son. Dervaci, son of IVSTI. It goes on to the next line, the I, the V, and a backwards S. And it describes this carving here as being quite crude. And then you've got the rest of it here, which starts to get a bit lost. You've got a bit of a T and you've got an I going through it. It's a bit strange, you've got T and an I together. And then the words get a bit strange. And you've got the word ick. So I see, and it comes on to IACIT, and the I and the rest of the T is there. So the word is, if I can spell this right, Dervaci, FILIUS, IVSTI, IACIT, which basically means Dervaci, son of IVSTI, is buried here or named here, or this stone is associated with that individual. It's made of an old type of sandstone, and it really stands out with these nice supports down here, so you can just follow me around. And there's some modern things about this. Actually, we were looking here and somebody's carved a strange little anchor on here, which is much later. It's very much of a weathered face, and I wouldn't come here with bleach and sort of look at the image, because these mosses and lichens have taken years to develop on here. Look at all the little lichens there. And if we just come around to this side, and what we have this very eroded face. There may have been other writing on here at one stage. And over here is a survey marker. And I actually think that maybe these, I fancy thinking that this along here could be Ogham, but not sure. An early script from about 300 years AD. And there, coming full circle, is a modern survey mark from the Ordnance Survey. Just guide around here. And this brings this piece of old, ancient art into perspective. This is Karl-James Langford.